Welcome to Naturoville Wellness Center, where we invite you to experience the transformative power of Ayurvedic Panchakarma. Panchakarma, meaning 5 actions, is a deeply purifying and rejuvenating detoxification process rooted in ancient Ayurvedic traditions. It's designed to cleanse the body of accumulated toxins, or ayama, while restoring balance and vitality. This comprehensive treatment involves a series of therapies such as Abhyanga, therapeutic oil massage, Svedana, herbal steam therapy, and Nasya, nasal therapy, each tailored to address your specific needs. Panchakarma works not only on the physical body, but also on the mind and emotions, promoting deep relaxation, mental clarity, and emotional balance. By removing impurities and enhancing the flow of energy, Panchakarma boosts immunity, improves digestion, and promotes a sense of well-being. Contact us for more information and let us guide you on your journey to wellness and vitality.